One day I had unexpected guests, and the only thing I had in the freezer was a whole frozen chicken. So this is an emergency recipe for a whole frozen chicken cooked in an Instapot. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Today we're going to cook frozen chicken in the Instapot. So what we do is just put the bracket in first. So you see the bracket already in here. So it has the two sides, the handles. So first you take off the paper from the bottom here. So I'm going to leave the string on here. So the string is holding the chicken together, but I'll just leave it on there. So this chicken is 2 pounds and something. So it's going to be a tight fit. I thought this was a small chicken, but it's actually going to be a tight fit. So just put a cup of water on the side there. So not on the chicken, but it doesn't matter if it hits the chicken, but I'm going to put it on the side. Put a cup of water in there. So this chicken here is frozen, so the liquid will come from the frozen chicken. So you have more liquid, so I put about a cup of water in there. So I'm going to go Chinese style, so I'm going to put some salt first and then some soy sauce. So I'm going to put the dark soy sauce. You can put light soy sauce if you like. Dark soy sauce would just darken the skin a little bit. For this kind of Instapot, the dark soy sauce is not going to be that dark. Dark soy sauce will add a bit of color, but because it's Instapot, most of the soy sauce will be steamed off. But just to give it a slight amount of color, just like that. So that's it. We're ready to cook the chicken. So now we're going to put the lid on. So you see the lid, see the pressure release valve is on the back here. Okay, turn the left because it says close on the left here. So we've got the flashing at high pressure, so just press that. Now we're going to put it on high pressure. So the time, press the time. So we're going to go about, I'll go 50 minutes. Anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour. So we're just going to go about 50. And then just press start. So it'll take a few minutes to pressurize and it'll cook for 50 minutes. And then if you let it naturally release, should be another 15 minutes. Otherwise you can force the pressure, but I'm just going to let it pressure release naturally. So 50 minutes plus another 15 or 20. So you'll have the chicken ready in about hour and 15, maybe hour and 10. Just released the pressure from the Instapot. The button has gone down. So it's been 25 minutes on the warm setting. Wow! There you have it. There you have it. Instapot chicken. Enjoy. I hope it's cooked. Ah, it's okay. The color of the chicken didn't turn out so well. It wasn't dark enough, but the chicken was delicious. So we're going to use thick soy sauce in our next episode for cooking chicken in Instapot. You're going to get a real nice colored chicken. So stay tuned for this next episode, and we'll show you how to make a nice colored and delicious chicken using the Instapot. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like and subscribe. Any comments are always welcome. Take care and stay safe.